everyone, today we are going to make water dispenser. These are all the materials that we need. Get ready, 2 pieces of 20 x 8 cm cardboard, 1 piece of 20 x 9 cm cardboard, 9 x 9 cm cardboard, 9 x 7 cm cardboard, 11 x 9 cm cardboard, and an extra cardboard, 9 x 9 cm cardboard. And we need a pair of scissors, knife, marker, straw, a bended straw, a glass, a bottle, and the hot glue gun. Glue the 20 x 8 cm cardboard on the side of the 9 x 9 cm cardboard. Next, glue the back of the box. Next, we are going to place the 9 cm x 7 cm board in the middle, and we're going to glue it. Draw a circle here. Draw a circle and cut it with the knife. After you have cut this small hole, next we are going to cut the straw and place the shorter part in here. Make sure you glue it with your hot glue gun to seal the whole area and make sure there is no leaking. Fill some water in your bottle. Make sure you put the straw into this hole, and next cut out your cardboard so that you may place it at the top of your dispenser, and the 11 x 9 cm board, we will place it here. You may decorate your dispenser anyhow you like it. Now we are going to place the glass under the straw, and when you turn it on, the water, you can fill the water up and keep it closed, and it will stop. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like.